how to remove the Fiat 500X door mirror, and in the process we'll also be removing the door panel because you can't access the cable for the door mirror without removing the door panel. If it doesn't look the same, it probably isn't the same. We will start by removing the trim next to the door open handle, and underneath there will be a Allen key screw that we'll need to remove just over there. Next, where the door pull handle is, there'll be a little cover, and underneath there will also be another Allen key screw that we'll need to remove. Next, we will remove the window switch. It's only held on by clips, so with a plastic tool you'll just need to unclip and then unplug by pressing onto these sections over there. Press onto that one and then pull the plug out. Do the same thing for the other plug. To the side there will be very little covers. With a very thin tool you'll need to remove these covers, and underneath there will be 2 Phillips screws. Remove both of these screws. To the bottom there will be another Phillips screw, and then we'll also detach the courtesy light. You will need to go in from this side, pull the courtesy light out and then unplug. For this next part, use a plastic tool and get in between the door panel and the door itself. And then what you'll need to do, there's clips on the inside. Keep in mind these clips can break, and you can put your hand in there and pull the bottom out first, or if you have a clip remover tool like this, it makes it much easier, where you'll get into where the clip is and then unclip as you go. If you don't have this tool, you'll need to open space and get in with your hands and then yank it, and you'll need to pull it out with a bit of force. First you'll pull the bottom and then slide it upwards to detach it from the window seal. So pull it upwards and then out, and that's the same way you put it back. We'll detach the door open handle cables just like so. This one over here on the sides, you'll need to push these in on both sides to pull this white section out. And just to show you the clips, they haven't broken on this one, these white ones over here, but what you want to do is, if there's any clips that are left on the door, you want to get them and actually put them onto the door panel. So there's 2 over here that have stayed on the door. I will remove them and put them on the door panel. It makes it refitting much more easier. With the door panel off, as you can see, this is the cable plugs. There's 2 plugs for the door mirror, and we'll need to detach it from here first. And then on each plug, on either side, there are 2 little locking clips that you'll need to press on simultaneously to unplug. So these one over here, and then the same thing for the other side, and you'll need to do this for both of the plugs. And then you can detach the cable from here, and then from the outside you'll need to remove this cover. Although the screws for the mirror are from the outside, because the cable runs in down behind the door panel, that's why you need to remove the door panel. Remove 2 of these Allen key screws, and then you can slide the door mirror out. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.